You might be wondering why you would ever use tuples when lists are more flexible. So lists can contain the same items as tuples, but they have the flexibility to add, remove, and change them. They have more methods. They just have more features in general. So why would you use a tuple instead of a list? Well, there are a few reasons. Number one, tuples signify whenever you create them in your program, they signify to you and other programmers that this sequence of values will not be changed. So they are permanent, and you don't want them to change. So sometimes you have a data structure, you have some data, it is permanent, you don't want it to change, and therefore you use a tuple just to reinforce that fact that it won't be changed. If you use a list, then it is subject to being changed by someone else or somewhere else in your program. So they do they can have a lot of importance there if you don't want something to be changed. So I like to think of tuples when we want permanence, lists when we want some flexibility. All right. So another thing, and this is upcoming, is that tuples can be used in sets and as dictionary keys. So we'll see that list, you cannot place a list inside of a set, nor can use a list as a dictionary key. All right, so that is a few reasons why you'd want to use a tuple and not a list for your data structure of choice.